The Sino-American West UAV is a 3-engine, heavy-duty UAV independently developed by my country. The Polar aircraft measures 10 meters in length with a maximum range of 8,000 kilometers. It has an attack duration of approximately 40 hours and can carry up to 1.2 tons. It is capable of mounting missiles, bombs, electric bullets, guns, and nuclear weapons. Previously, it has been revealed in large quantities and dual-positioned by some drones. Electric energy fascination has become a star weapon in the hearts of military fans. So how strong is the strength of our country's two-person aircraft? First of all, the two-person aircraft uses the Lanjian 7 missile independently developed by our country. This is a light-traveling common ground missile with a weight of about 50 kilograms and a range of about 60 kilometers. It has high accuracy and penetration and can effectively attack the fixed or moving targets of the party. This missile also has hidden characteristics and is difficult to be intercepted by the party. A twin-tailed Western UAV has a long range and strong firepower, which can cover most areas around our country and effectively attack the enemy. The maximum range of the Naka-Oxy UAV can reach 6,000 kilometers, which means that it can fly directly to the Central Pacific Ocean or the Central Indian Ocean after taking off from Chinese mainland and perform missions there. Then what worries people is, if this drone is exported to other countries, will it pose a threat to China itself? Earlier, Turkey questioned China's export products because they found in the experiment that China exported to. As soon as the drone reaches the Chinese border, it automatically changes its course despite the operator's attempt to control it, sparking worldwide interest. Is this possible? Let us explore its technical feasibility. The drones exported by our country are mainly Yi Rainbow and Dajiang, with Dajiang being predominantly for civilian use. UAVs rely heavily on satellite navigation during flight. The drones we export must use Beidou satellite navigation system, which can control the drones and flight range by using Beidou satellite navigation. The drone screening we exported has the highest cost performance in the world. If we get the unmanned organization we exported and point the muzzle at us, how can we do it? As one of the countries with the largest land area in the world, China faces security challenges. A variety of military equipment is one of the important means to safeguard national interests. UAVs exported by China have enabled many poor countries to realize UAV freedom. Many countries in Africa did not have air forces before, and some countries used helicopters as the main battle weapons of their air forces. They had Chinese UAVs, and they only did it later. They won't care even if the plane with a back door can reach an altitude of 10,000 meters.